So this is my Rockwell Model 82 drill. Variable speed, reversible. I had this drill for, I don't know, several years now. Actually, this is the first drill I ever owned. That was my very own. Bought it at Goodwill. I think it was like for $7, I think. I've had it for several years now. Probably about 10 years. Probably. Something like that. Awesome drill. Only problem it has, which it's had since I've had it, is when it gets hot, the variable speed doesn't like to work too well. It'll start to pull the trigger and it'll just like bump up to fast speed. I don't know about 100% fast, but it'll like just jump up there. I don't know if it's something with the switch or what it is. Other than that, it's been a really good drill. One of my favorites. Honestly, it's probably been the drill I've used for probably 95% of all my projects that needs a drill for the last 10 years or so. And I've more recently got cordless drills, and now I've got several power drills, corded drills of my own, or I've basically got a collection now. But this is the drill that would be my very first one. Fortunately, the sticker came off, but it's right there. I just got to put it back on. Come up with some kind of glue or something, I don't know. It's been heavily used. Labels seen better days. And for some reason, when I got it, I don't know why, someone had cut a square out of here, like cut part of it out. I have no idea why they did that. But the label used to be in better shape, but it's, the drill has been used. It gets used, and it's just shown the age. I just recently replaced the chuck on this. The one that was on the drill when I got it. It was already wore out when I got it, but I used it so much through the years. The teeth on here just wore down. I finally, just couldn't get it to tighten up anymore. The key would keep stripping out and slipping. So I finally found this one. It's actually, I don't know if the camera's going to read it or not. Well, I don't think the camera's going to see it, but it's a Craftsman branded one, actually. A little bit bigger teeth on there, but it's still a 3/8, well, whatever it is. 3/8 chuck. Yeah, 3/8. Really love the color. I think that's why it caught my eye when I first seen it at Goodwill. So that's a neat light green drill. Green is my favorite color, so. And this one here is in the shade. I just honestly like. I think it's really neat. I've seen several more of these at Goodwill and Habitat for Humanity Restore throughout the years, and I wish I would have picked them up, but I never did, because now I can't seem to find any anymore. And one time at Goodwill, I seen it was an all-white 1976, or, well, 200-year, the bicentennial, American bicentennial, 1976, all white. I think it had the American flag on it here. That was neat. I think the bearing was all wore out in the front, and whatever they were asking for was just more than I wanted. I didn't need another drill at the time, so I didn't think I needed one. I wish I would have bought it, because I've never seen another one. But honestly, this one's been pretty good. Let's power it up here. I love the sound. It's got pretty good weight to it. Reverse. reversible. For some reason the sparks ain't showing up on camera too well, but let's get a drill bit in it here and I'll show you what it can do. Alright, we got a 1/2 inch drill bit in there. So there it is, Rockwell Model E2.